Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I'll be showing you people how you can make this milk bottle for fancy dress competition of your kid. So let's get started.
Firstly, take any kind of plain white sheet and then measure the face of the child and that of the neck of the bottle. Here I am using my hands, you can see in the video. I'll tell you the easiest way to draw this bottle. You can even take the reference from the bottle which is displaying on the screen. First, draw a big outer oval, then draw a small inner oval. This will give the structure of the neck of the bottle. Then start with making two curves on the either sides, join them. After that, draw two straight lines, draw two more curves on the either sides after making the straight lines, and then extend those straight line of the another curve with that of a big curve to form the base of the bottle as seen in the video. Now take dark blue and white color and mix them very well and start painting it on the outer corners of the milk bottle. Do not forget to merge and mix water. Here we are working from darker tone to lighter tone inwards as to give the bottle a real structure of milk. Paint dark blue colors in the borders of the milk bottle and repeat the same step with the cap and the neck of the bottle. After completion of the paint, let's come on to making the label of the milk bottle. First, paste black tape adjacent to each other and then paste the milk label cutout in the center. Now to make it more attractive and funny, we'll be making some facial features like eyebrow, eyes, nose, a smiley face with a tongue, and then we'll outline it to make it more clean. Now let's start painting our facial features. Here I am using shades of green, yellow and orange for the eyes, black for the eyebrow and eyeball, and I am using black for the smiley face, dark red color for the yummy tongue licking the milk. Now for the tongue, what I have done is I have taken a red glossy sheet. I have drawn the shape of a tongue, cut it out and pasted on the smiley face. Here we have completed with making the milk bottle. Now let's jump on to make the muscular bodybuilder hands of the milk bottle. First, take any kind of pastel or normal skin color sheet, fold it down and start making the muscular bodybuilding hands. You can even take the reference from the image which is shown on the screen. Now fill in the details in the muscular hand with a brown color or any color which is relevant to brown. After this, take a huge old cartoon and paste the milk bottle and the bodybuilding hands on this cartoon. Further, just attach the hands with the bottle. Here you can use a brown tape and you can see here for the neck I have taken the measurement of the child and I have made a huge hole so that the face of the child can go inside the hole. So here our costume is ready. If you want to know how I have made this blue cap which this girl is wearing, I have provided a link in the description box. Do check this out.